I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the perspective. Place the horizon and one vanishing point. Next, draw a central cube roughly 3 units per side, aligned to that VP so faces recede correctly. Once done, lightly add construction lines for center lines and arm axes, these guide proportions. Make sure to keep pencil strokes faint because you will refine them. Now mark where each arm will emerge from the cube faces, top, bottom, left, and right, so the 3D cross will be balanced in space. You now extrude the arms. Project depth lines from each cube face toward the vanishing point so every arm recedes consistently. Then draw each arm's front rectangle, matching thickness across all 4 arms to keep symmetry. Use the cube's grid to measure. Once the fronts are placed, connect corresponding corners back to the projected depth marks to create full rectangular prisms. Make sure to clean inner intersections by erasing hidden edges and adjust angles slightly if any arm looks foreshortened. You finish by refining edges and adding bevels where the arms meet. Emphasize visible outlines with heavier weight so the shape reads clearly. Then choose a light source and hatch or blend shadows. Apply core shadow under intersections and subtle ambient occlusion where surfaces touch. Once shaded, step back and check proportions. If an arm appears short or tilted, measure against the central cube and nudge the construction lines or redraw that arm section. Tip: if perspective looks off, re-establish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.